Hi, Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to all that's happening in July. It's kind of crazy, and it's a crazy month for me. I've got family starting coming in today, and 4th of July in Red Lodge actually lasts for a week. um, it's a big time for our little town, and we have a big rodeo, the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, and parades every day. And so anyway, I have lots of family coming in to celebrate, so you probably won't see a lot of me online over the next week or two. It is what it is. So anyway, I'm going to give you a quick update today of all the things that are happening in Stampin' Up, and there's a lot. So hang on. I'm also going to put this into my newsletter, so you'll have that information too, and then all the links to everything. So my July tutorial uses the Exciting Times bundle, which is a fun bundle. I don't know, did I pull it out? Did I put it away? I put it somewhere. Oh, I know where it is. All right, I'll pull that out, but I'm going to show you quickly. I'll show you the cards. So let me change my screen here. All right, so the cards for this month's tutorial are these, and they're really pretty. I used in colors, of course. I used Hydrangea Hue, Crisp Cantaloupe, and Peaceful Pine. And I'll show you the paper I used, because it's black and white paper, but I just teach you how to color it. So there's that. And then this is sorry, I should have had this out. This is the bundle that I used this month called Exciting Times. And it has a rectangle punch with rounded curves. You can see that on there. And then the paper that I used is the Artisan Sketched Garden. It's so pretty. I just love the black and whites, and it's really fun. You can just keep them black and white or change them colors. And if you don't have the end colors that I used, you can use any colors that you have, because the cardstock is fairly neutral. I'm using basic white and black, and then a little bit of a hydrangea hue. So how my kits work, or how my tutorial works for the month, is if you place an order with me, if you place an order with me during the month of July, I will send you a tutorial with the PDFs for all these projects that I did. And if your order's over $50, you will get a packet of supplies to complete the project. So that will include the designer series paper, the ribbon, the embellishments, and the cardstock bases into kits. So it's kind of a good deal, and you get a good variety of product to share. All right, so product of the month. This month's product of the month is this one called Begonia Bell. I don't have it because I can't order it either until today, July 1st. I will tell you that the Wild Bunch from product of the month of last month sold out before the end of the month. These are while supplies last. So if you're interested in this stamp set, I think it's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to get it and play with it. Sorry, it's early morning and the sun is shining kind of funky in my room here. Anyway, it's a beautiful stamp set, 2-step stamp set. If you purchase $75 worth of product, you can have the opportunity to purchase this for $5. So that's a good deal. What I do for my customers is I've gathered with 11 other demonstrators, and we come up with a tutorial for the month, for the product of the month. And so at the end of the month, or the beginning of the next month, depending on my time schedule, I send you a tutorial with 12 different projects made with this particular product of the month. So I haven't gotten the Wild Bunch emails out yet. I'm hoping to get those out today before the craziness hits my house. But anyway, so that's the product of the month. Paper Pumpkin this month is a cute one. This Hooray for Birthdays. They're shaped cards, and there's the little detailed flora dies that you can get that you can purchase also if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. This is a cute Paper Pumpkin, and that you have to have signed up for that by the 10th of July. So don't let that one pass you. There's new kits out, and this is a cute one, Daisy Days kit. It's an album. It's a hardback album with ring binding. And scrapbook pages. It's really cute. I'll put information into my newsletter, but you can find it on the Stampin' Up website. And then there's this kit called Gilded Gallery Kit. This is a cute one. This is a stamping kit. So there's a stamp set that comes with it, and you get to make 10 cards, 5 of each of those. They're beautiful. Those watercolor backgrounds are gorgeous. But that is a fun kit. All right, things that are back in stock. Oh, what's this one? Oh, my Create With Me Club for July uses the new Framed Violets bundle. So my Create With Me kit is, it's a subscription-based kit. I send you a half a pack of designer series paper, a spool of ribbon, and embellishments, and then card kits to complete the cards in my kit for that month, my club for that month. You get enough for 2 cards of each. So this month we have 4 cards, so there's 8 cards with envelopes. I'm gonna flip my camera so I can show you the actual cards that I made. The other thing I've done with my Create With Me club is you can just get a 1-month subscription, or 1 month for $49. The subscription is $45. That's a monthly. 1 month is $49, and if you just want the PDFs and the video that I teach how to make these cards, that's $25. So I'll link that stuff too. All right, so these are the cards for this month. This is a fun set. It's really beautiful. That's some really nice looking cards in there. So, and that particular bundle, let me show it to you, because it's become available today. It's part of the new online exclusives that are out today, and there's a whole slew of online exclusives. There's Christmas and there's fall, all kinds of stuff. But this is the Framed Violets that I'm using for my Create With Me club. And like I said, this stamp set became available today to customers. All right. I think the last thing I got to do, back in stock. Lots of stuff came back in stock over the weekend. The Sunset Coast Suite is back. So these are, sometimes they come back in stock and they're not in stock very long because people are waiting for them. So if these are anything you're interested in, I would recommend you get them while you can. The paper, which is beautiful, is back in stock. The suite for the blooms is back in stock. And the paper is back in stock for that same suite. And then the sticker sheet with the designer series paper is back in stock. And of course, the butterflies are back in stock. And I will tell you that these are pretty popular. They've come in and out of stock sometimes quickly, within 24 hours. They're still in stock as of last night when I checked. So if you want those little adorable butterflies, get them while you can. All right, that is my update for this month. I don't think I forgot anything I could have. But like I said, I will be probably unavailable, but call me, email me. I will answer questions if you have any. If you haven't already done so, sign up for my newsletter where I do tips, tricks, and techniques each week. And have a great summer. Have a great 4th of July. Take care. Bye-bye.